Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. In the previous class we have learnt about approximation. Let us have a small recap. What do you mean by an approximate value? Yes, very good. Approximate value is not an exact value, it is a closer value to the real one. Yes. In the previous class we have learnt about approximate value correct to two decimal places. So what is the approximate value for the first one? 0.043. So you have drawn to the two decimal places. Yes, very good. So this is 0.04. How did you find the answer? Yes. So the third digit is less than 5. So you have to add 0 to the second digit. 4.728 is approximately equal to? Yes, very good. 4.73. So the third decimal place is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the second place. Third one, 6.434 is approximately equal to 6.43. How did we reach the answer? Yes, the third decimal place is less than 5. So you have to add 0 to the second one. 0.092 is approximately equal to 0.09. Very good. Because the third decimal place is less than 5. So you have to add 0 to the second decimal place. In today's class, we are going to learn about approximate value correct to 3 decimal places. Problems for correct to 3 decimal places. Seventh one, 1 divided by 41. So 1 divided by 41. 1 is not divisible by 41, so you can keep one decimal point here and you can add 1 0. Again, 10 is also not divisible by 41, so you add 1 0 and you can put 1 0 here. Now 2 into 41 is 82. So what's the value of 100 minus 82? Yes, very good, 18. You get one decimal point here, so each step you can add 1 0. Now 4 into 41 is 164. 180 minus 164 is 16. So add 1 0. 3 into 41 is 123. Remaining 47. So now we have reached 4 decimal places. We have to round off to 3 decimal places. So you can stop it here itself. 1 by 41 is approximately equal to 0.0243. Here we have to round off to 3 decimal places. So you look at the 4th decimal place. This is less than 5. So you have to add 0 to the 3rd decimal place. So it is approximately equal to 0.02. So what's the value of 4 plus 0? Yes, 4. So your answer is 0.024. Is it clear, children? Yes. Second one, 221 divided by 7. 221 divided by 7. 3 sevens are 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. Now bring the 1 to the down. 1 7 is 7. Remaining, what's the value of 11 minus 7? 4. So 4 is not divisible by 7 tables. You keep the decimal point here and you add 1 0 here. 5 sevens are 35. So what's the value of 40 minus 35? Yes, very good, 5. You can add 1 0. Now 7 sevens are 49. 50 minus 49 is 1. Add 1 0. 1 7 is 7. Remaining 3. Add 1 0. 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. So now we reached 4 decimal point. We have to round off to 3 decimal points only. So you can stop it here itself. 221 divided by 7 is approximately equal to 31.5714. So look at the fourth decimal place. This is less than 5. So here you have to add 1, add 0 here. So this is approximately equal to 31.571. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one, 16 by 3. Divided by 3. 5 3s are 15. What's the value of 16 minus 15? 1. So 1 is not divisible by 3 tables. Keep one decimal point here and you can add 1 0. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Add 1 0. Again 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. Add 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. It keeps on going. We can stop by 4 decimal points. Okay. So 16 divided by 3 is approximately equal to 5.3333. So now look at the third decimal place. This is less than 5. So you have to, fourth decimal place is less than 5. So here you have to add 1 0 to the third decimal place, which is equal to 5.333. Can you understand? Yes. 100 divided by 31. Let us solve this one. 100 divided by 31. So 3 into 31 is 93. What's the value of 100 minus 93? 7. 7 is not divisible by 31 tables. Keep one decimal point here and you can add 1 0. 2 into 32 is 62. What's the value of 70 minus 62? 8. Add 1 0. Again 2 into 31 is 62. So what's the value of 80 minus 62? 18. Add 1 0. Now 5 into 31 is 155. 180 minus 155 is 25. Add 1 0. Now 8 into 31 is 248. Now we have reached 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places. So you can stop it here itself. 100 by 31 is approximately equal to 3.2258. Now look at the fourth digit. This is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 1 to the third digit. So this is equal to, approximately equal to 3.22. Let us recall what we have learnt in today's class. Round off to 3 decimal places. Always remember that when we round off to 3 decimal places, the fourth decimal value is less than 5. Add 0 to the third decimal place. If the fourth decimal value is greater than 5, add 1 to the third decimal place. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.